the drug peddlers. That's what I want to say.
Okay, so you think the bigger issue is not the stars? And
No,
what they're
I
up
never
to.
said that. I am completely against of stars having it.
Uh-huh.
But I say that if they're covering that, they should also cover the other important aspects.
Urvashi, I know you are an outsider, and there's this whole debate about outsiders being mistreated in Bollywood. There's a camp. Have you been facing the brunt of, like, say, cliques, and how difficult was it to get into Bollywood and be taken seriously?
Okay, so I think initially for beat anyone, you will not be taken seriously.
We should put that on a t-shirt.
Yeah, exactly. You will not be taken seriously. No matter how hard any debutante want to work, I can write them in paper. You will not be taken seriously by unless it takes like a lot of films. You just can't prove yourself in just like one film. You will have to do at least minimum 10-15 films if your performances is good and if your work ethic is superb, extreme professionalism, then you will earn it by with time you will get it.
Are you following the Sushant Singh Rajput case that has caught the public imagination and fantasy of so many? There's so much of public anger as well about actors taking extreme steps.
I think I kind of do relate with him in a way, like he was an outsider, he did his engineering and everything. I was following it to a point, but when I started shooting, obviously I couldn't get hold of what was happening exactly, and then I'm also like, should I trust this news or should I not trust this news, because there's also a lot of made up fabricated news as well. And then there came a point where I was so I stopped reading news channels. There was a time. And there was also a time when I was non-stop watching news, non-stop watching what is happening, but then it went on for really a couple of like 3, 4, 5 months.
Yes, since June.
Yes, since June. That's what, it's been happening. And then new people coming up, and sometimes the maid coming up, conspiracy, this and that, everyone getting targeted. And then I was like, it's better like till when, I mean, whenever the result has to come.
Right. AIMS has now said in the forensic report that it was death by suicide, according to their findings. Yeah,
that's what
that is the latest.
Yeah, that's what they say.
But in your case, are you worried as well? Like, do you guys get, when you read such negative news as well, does did your parents come up to you and say that even if things don't work out, it's okay, we are there? There's a lot of mental health issues that you should worry about. Come to us.
Right now, I'll tell you very honestly, the dynamics of Bollywood have completely changed because of 2020, because of COVID. I mean, I'm not comparing. I love Alia as an actor, but my film Virgin Bhanupriya was rated more higher on IMDb, and user reviews also better than Sadak 2. Or like, Khali Pili, which just came out.
Yes, Ananya's.
Yeah, Virgin Bhanupriya was a lot better than that. But I want to say a lot has to do with the kind of media also kind of, put the star kids up in that level or elevate them. They kind of always appreciate their fashion sense. They kind of always appreciate their acting performances. They never find anything negative about star kids. They kind of just compliment them again and again and again and again and again. And no matter, even if an outsider has done even much better than them, they will be targeted for even a small petty thing, whichever goes wrong, or even if whenever there is nothing wrong, still they will be, treated as like an object, so that they can get they can talk bad about the outsiders. So that there is a lot of TRP and all. So you will never ever see like a bad news about a star.